Fishing enthusiasts know that the right gear makes all the difference. The best fishing rod delivers precision, strength, and comfort, helping you land every catch with ease. Whether casting in freshwater or battling big game, performance matters. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. PLUSINNO Fiber Fishing Rod. The PLUSINNO Fiber Fishing Rod is a complete solution for anglers seeking convenience and performance. This full kit comes with 2 fishing rods, 2 reels, 2 lines, a variety of lures, hooks, essential accessories, and a practical carrier bag, making it ideal for beginners who want everything in one package. The rod itself is constructed from a high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass blend, providing both excellent elasticity and durability. Anglers will appreciate the stainless steel hooded reel seat that resists corrosion from saltwater exposure, while the EVA foregrip ensures comfort during extended fishing sessions. Its telescopic design allows for easy portability, and the closed-length feature makes storage and transport hassle-free. The included reels feature instant anti-reverse and power drive gears, ensuring smooth performance and strong retrieval. With a deep aluminum spool and generous line capacity, this rod can handle a variety of fishing situations, from small freshwater catches to medium-sized saltwater species. The PLUSINNO Fiber Fishing Rod balances reliability and convenience, providing a ready-to-go setup that saves time while still delivering quality performance. For those starting out or anglers who prefer an all-in-one kit. Number 2. Ghosthorn Telescoping Fishing Rod. The Ghosthorn Telescoping Fishing Rod is engineered for anglers who value lightweight performance without sacrificing strength. Made from 30-ton graphite, it is 20% lighter than mixed carbon fiberglass rods, providing a more responsive feel while maintaining rigidity. The ceramic guide rings feature a weaving and resin technology that enhances durability and ensures long-term reliability. Its upgraded carbon fiber drag washers offer a powerful drag system capable of handling up to 34.3 pounds of stopping power while maintaining smooth operation. This rod is versatile enough for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, making it suitable for a wide range of species. The accompanying reel has stainless steel bearings and all-metal rocker arms designed for durability and consistent performance. In addition, the set includes ergonomically designed fish pliers with side-mounted milling cutters for precise line cutting, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. Whether you are casting from shore, a dock, or a boat, the Ghosthorn Telescoping Fishing Rod combines lightweight handling, durable construction, and precision engineering. Its telescopic design makes it convenient for travel or storage. Number 3. PENN Pursuit Fishing Rod. The PENN Pursuit Fishing Rod is a reliable choice for saltwater anglers seeking a balance of strength, precision, and smooth operation. Designed with a one-piece graphite composite rod blank, it is lightweight yet durable, while the graphite reel seat adds stability and comfort. Equipped with 8 PENN Dura guides, this rod minimizes line fraying and is compatible with both mono and braided lines. The included size 2500 spinning reel offers a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1 for efficient line retrieval, while the HT100 front drag provides precise control over pressure, ensuring smooth performance even when battling larger fish. Its medium light power rating and moderate fast action make it versatile, allowing anglers to cast light lures effectively while still handling bigger catches with ease. The rod's EVA grips provide comfort for extended fishing sessions, and its recovery rate and smooth anti-reverse bearing make it easy to control every movement. The PENN Pursuit is particularly well-suited for those who spend time in saltwater environments, as it offers corrosion resistance and durability. For anglers who want a dependable spinning combo capable of handling a wide variety of conditions, the PENN Pursuit delivers performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a trusted choice for recreational and semi-professional fishing. Number 4. Ugly Stik GX2 Fishing Rod. The Ugly Stik GX2 fishing rod is a youth-focused rod that combines durability, performance, and ease of use. Designed with the same legendary toughness as the adult Ugly Stik line, the GX2 features a graphite and fiberglass construction that ensures a balanced feel while maintaining strength. Its PVD-coated one-piece stainless steel guides resist corrosion and reduce line fray, making it ideal for both freshwater and light saltwater use. The included size 30 reel is lightweight yet durable, with a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1 and a 28-inch recovery rate per crank, providing smooth and consistent line retrieval. This rod is booked for young anglers who want modern styling without sacrificing functionality. The EVA handle offers comfort during long sessions, and the ugly tough construction ensures the rod can withstand rigorous use over time. With a 10-year warranty, the GX2 demonstrates the brand's confidence in its quality and durability. Overall, the Ugly Stik GX2 fishing rod is perfect for young or beginner anglers who want a reliable, easy-to-use rod that balances toughness, performance, and comfort. Number 5. KastKing Crixus fishing rod. The KastKing Crixus fishing rod is engineered for anglers seeking a high-performance rod with versatility across freshwater and saltwater environments. Crafted from Castflex IM6 graphite, it combines sensitivity with strength, allowing precise control while handling larger catches. The rod's split rear handle design and EVA fighting butt provide ergonomic comfort and maximum control even during long battles with fish. Stainless steel guides with zirconium oxide rings ensure smooth line flow, preventing abrasion and extending line life. KastKing's attention to detail is evident in the durable reel seats and carefully constructed rod blank, offering consistent performance for both spinning and casting applications. Available in multiple lengths and power ratings, the Crixus is adaptable for a range of species and fishing styles. Its combination of lightweight graphite, durable components, and thoughtful design makes it suitable for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Whether casting from a boat, shore, or dock, the KastKing Crixus delivers exceptional sensitivity, power, and control. This rod stands out for its precision, comfort, and durability, making it an excellent addition to any angler's collection. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.